and gentlemen, and welcome to the product launch of the new SEABOB F9. I am delighted to welcome you here today. We are looking forward to experiencing the live presentation of the new SEABOB F9 together with you. It has always been CAYAGO's ambition to build extraordinary water toys with high-quality standards that can be easily ridden and operated by everyone. To fulfill this claim, the SEABOB was developed, which has since become an absolute must-have on all luxury yachts. The SEABOB has achieved a very high status in the maritime world as one of the most popular water toys. In order to build on this great success on the world market, the engineers at CAYAGO have been testing and developing new technologies for years. As a result, the experience of the SEABOB jet should be enhanced even further. Handling, product quality and ride characteristics in the water were the main focus of the major goal of building a convincing water toy. Because, just like you, we all know that the sea is the most beautiful and biggest playground in the world. Before the launch of the new SEABOB series starts right away, we want to take the opportunity to listen to the world and therefore first switch to the USA and the Sunshine State of Florida to SEABOB America in Fort Lauderdale. And I see that our American colleagues are just as excited about the show. Hi guys, great to have you with us.
Hi Claudia.
Hi there.
Everybody. On behalf of SEABOB America, we are so excited to be here. Thank you for inviting us.
Do you have any idea what to expect yet?
You know, they've kept everything really top secret. It's been quiet, but we did find out one very important thing that makes me very excited, that the new SEABOB is going to be much lighter.
That will be fantastic. You know, this is very interesting. Our market is constantly evolving and growing, and we naturally have customers with smaller boats. So a lighter SEABOB will be a game changer for them.
And I can only imagine what else is coming down. So, ready for this unveil?
But finally, in a few minutes, the new product will be unveiled.
Yes, today is the day, and we are so very excited for this launch.
Looking forward to it. And also for the coming days where we will be trained directly on the features of this amazing new product.
And knowing our company, they have put a lot of heart and soul, passion, and are so meticulous in making this new SEABOB the best ever. So, good luck from Florida.
Thank you so much, dear ones. I promise not to keep you in suspense any longer. Thanks. But before that, let's take another big leap to the other side of the world and switch to CAYAGO Asia Pacific in Singapore. Welcome, David Lee. It's great that you're also following our launch.
Hey, good evening, Germany. Thank you for having us.
It's quite late where you are, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's right. It's already midnight here in Singapore. But we don't mind because we stayed up, especially for this event.
Great. Then I assume your expectations are high, right?
Yeah, exactly. We're very excited about the new design and of course the technical features. And even though we're so far away from headquarters, it is incredibly exciting to be part of the launch.
David, although everything was top secret until today, can you tell us something about the interest in a SEABOB in Asia?
Oh yeah, there was a lot of interest in the new SEABOB. The Asian market regularly asks for it and is already eagerly awaiting the new water toy. Because, you know, SEABOB F5 has been on the market for a long time. There has already been speculation that something new is coming soon. What we have already here, however, you know, this new product is said to have been significantly improved technically. So we are very looking forward to it.
Right. In a few moments, it will finally start. David, what do the next few days look like for you in the Asia Pacific region?
Oh, Just like our colleagues in SEABOB America, we will have training sessions planned on the new SEABOB, so we can provide
David,
our customers
David,
with the
I'm so
best.
sorry to interrupt you. I just heard that something is going on at CAYAGO's event center. I think the show is going to start now. Thanks, David.
Oh, okay. No problem. Good luck. Bye.
Bye. Best wishes to Singapore. Bye-bye. We now switch directly over to the event center. The big moment has finally arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the new SEABOB.
Time for a change. Time for a new generation. Welcome from our headquarters in Germany. Welcome to the SEABOB community. Welcome to all of you. Today we are pleased to present the new SEABOB generation, the SEABOB F9. The SEABOB idea was born 20 years ago, and today we are presenting the third generation of SEABOB. All the knowledge gained over 20 years has been integrated into the new generation. Our aim was to perfect this popular water toy. The new SEABOB F9 meets the highest demands in terms of technology, in terms of design, and riding experience. Our customers love something special and expect something special. With the SEABOB F9, we promise unique and completely new driving experience in the water.
On our Earth, water is the biggest playground. 20 years ago, the first SEABOB was developed. Technical advantage gained through 20 years of experience. The SEABOB F9. We are sure a high-quality technical product emerges using a combination of man and material. A symbiosis of man and machine. Technical components of titanium and magnesium underline the quality standards of the SEABOB F9. Carbon. We not only use it to build design elements, with this material we build technical precision parts of the E-Jet power system. We are sure the SEABOB F9 will win you over with a high electric runtime at a total weight of just over 20 kilograms. The driving properties of the SEABOB F9, redeveloped from the ground up. We are sure the SEABOB F9 will excite you. With new agile driving properties in the water, all this makes the SEABOB so unique. The new SEABOB F9. Design by Studio F.A. Porsche.
The SEABOB F9, an absolute game changer in the world of water toys. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you the latest technology and the newly developed concept of the SEABOB F9 generation. For the past years, our R&D engineers have worked on this next generation of SEABOB jets, and during the course of that have revolutionized all of its features and technical properties. The result is the SEABOB F9 rebuilt and redeveloped from scratch with extremely improved above and underwater driving properties. These astonishing driving properties can be routed back to the following technical innovation highlights. The hydrodynamic behavior of the SEABOB F9 is unheard of. Its unique foil technology provides for the perfect mix of agility and stability during above water rides. The stabilizers at the back, operated by mechanical kinematics, are included in every F9S. They perfectly trim and balance out the SEABOB F9S, especially during top speed runs. On either side of the jet canal, additional foils create an upward force, which, combined with a specially designed topography and contour lines of the lower body, generate a phenomenal overall driving experience. The ergonomically formed control grips allow for the driver to easily switch between above and underwater cruising and will help you to maneuver playfully around in every situation. Finally, the digital gearless accelerator rounds off the technical perks of the SEABOB F9, giving you the perfect means to regulate your cruising speed. We've also reinvented the gravimetrical power density of the SEABOB, meaning that we have put the weight and power ratio into a whole new perspective. Through using high-tech materials like carbon, titanium, magnesium aluminum alloys and special fiber combinations, we were able to achieve an overall weight of just above 20 kilograms for the lightest version of the F9. Thanks to its efficiency improved jet propulsion and high power accumulators, the SEABOB F9 provides enough power and capacity for enormous driving fun while at the same time being absolutely handling friendly. The thrust performance indicates the power efficiency of watercrafts. The thrust performance of the SEABOB F9 is 60 TP, while the SEABOB F9S reaches thrust performance levels of 84 TP. User-friendliness has been an utmost focus point during the development process. Hence, we did not only pursue the lightweight strategy, but also reconsidered the complete user experience, coming up with an all-new, all-digital HMI. The HMI display is positioned in the center, right between the control grips. Its visualization with brilliant animations provide all the relevant data of your fun driving experience. In every F9 and F9S model, you will find a normal mode, a diving mode to explore the underwater world, and a sport mode for fast acceleration and fast above water driving, creating individual ultimate driving fun. The control elements are intuitive and self-explanatory, ensuring immediate and easy access to the SEABOB world. The many innovations and novelties of the SEABOB F9 have been patented and are now part of our protected intellectual property. This will help us enhance and maintain our leading technological position. Besides the technical revolution that the SEABOB F9 poses, we have pushed this new SEABOB generation to a completely new quality level. All materials and surfaces have been chosen to meet the highest of quality standards. Once again, the symbiosis of high tech and high quality has proven to be a perfect match when combined intelligently. Therefore, the SEABOB F9 is a perfect match of highest product quality and ultimate fun.
Now, I would like to welcome a special guest in our studio, Timo Dash, journalist in water sports. Timo, a very warm welcome. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, Claudia. I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
It's so great to have you here. And Timo, there's one special thing. We can see it right behind on the screen. You had the privilege of being one of a select few, and as an expert journalist in water sports, to drive the SEABOB F9. What can you tell us about it?
Yes, Claudia, I literally got back from the pool. I was riding it just an hour ago. It was insane. It was a mind-blowing experience. Their new model is killing it. It was so fast, and the propulsion, the acceleration, I had a lot of fun. It was hard to get my smile off the face after.
I just want to say, you're still smiling. It's really cute.
It is, yeah. Just thinking about it, I mean, you can see it.
You're even smiling over there.
I had a lot of fun down there, yeah.
Great. Of course, I want to hear more. So you know your way around the world of water scooters, and I assume that you have ridden almost every one of them. What is your opinion of the new SEABOB F9? Maybe also compared to the other ones.
Yes, I mean, in the past, I was fortunate enough also to drive the old models they had, and even back then, they were killing it. They were top-notch on the market. So their mission was not to beat the others, their mission was to beat themselves, because, I mean, they had the best machine on the market already, but I can say they achieved the mission. I mean, the F9 is definitely a nice upgrade to the old one. Mm-hmm. It's much more compact, and it's faster and completely new design, so I was amazed.
Cool. So we've seen you in the water, but I assume you must have gotten the opportunity to take the SEABOB F9 in your hands out of the water. What can you tell us about it? How is the feeling, the weight? So what was your thought when you had it in your hands the first time?
Yes, I mean, what makes them so powerful is that they have huge engines and huge battery compartments. So the old models, they were a little bit heavy. So what they did with the revision and the new model, they made it much more lightweight, which is amazing. Now I can easily carry it around on my own. I can put it in the water how I want. So that made it really nice and flexible to handle it, also in the water. Being it more lightweight and compact, it's also much more agile. So the agility while driving, while steering it around is really good.
You are a water sport journalist, enthusiast, so you love being in the water and you know so many gadgets, I guess. What impressed you personally most about the SEABOB F9? What was like mind-blowing?
Ooh, there's many things. I mean, the design is amazing. It literally looks like a luxury car or like a Formula One car if you want. They revised the cockpit also. The cockpit is really neat. You feel like a Formula One driver while riding this machine. So this is one. Then also the acceleration is insane. It's just top speed. It's if you like adrenaline and water sports, then this is the tool for you.
Okay. Was it easy to drive?
It was very easy to drive, yes, especially with the compact design now, and you have a new compartment where you put your hands. So even now, you can ride on the surface. It really makes you glide on top of the water, like you're basically flying on the surface. But you can also take it under the water. You can free dive or scuba dive with it. And what's very convenient is now with the new model, it's not that hard to push it down. You just give it a little push and you dive down as if it was nothing.
Okay. And I think also the cockpit is a little bit different, isn't it?
It is very different. Yes, you have new buttons, a new design of the cockpit. It's very neat. I enjoy it.
We already talked about the weight and the new, much lighter weight combined with the driving performance. What can you tell us about that? Does it make a special impact, or is it a different feeling? How can we assume it is driving?
It definitely feels different now with the lightweight, but also with the product design itself. So the steering becomes way easier now. If you want to do the turns, you shift your body weight a little bit, and the vehicle turns automatically. It has little wings on the side, so there's two models actually, the F9 and the F9S. The F9S comes with these little wings on the side. You can flip them out. They're good for being on the surface, for flying on top of the water. But you can also put them inside if you want to dive down and you want to do a little tricks, maneuvers, you know, flips, turns, loopings, whatever, what you want to achieve. These little wings help you for that.
Okay, how long have you been to the water today with us?
Oh, I think we've been about an hour. We didn't want to go out, maybe more. I can't really remember. You know, time flies if you're riding it.
So happy that you made it here in our studio. So then, to wrap it up, we can state it's an incredible design combined with unparalleled driving performance and many, many other new features. And when I talk to you, I have the feeling that the new SEABOB F9 is really a game changer, isn't it?
Oh, definitely it is. Yes, definitely. I mean, that's the toy you want to play with. If you're a diver, if you're just a water lover, a marine enthusiast, whatever. If you enjoy being in the water, this is the toy for you, yes.
Okay, that's a perfect last sentence. Thank you so much, Timo, and what a fitting final. Many, many thanks for your detailed impressions and for being in the studio today with us here. Thank you so much. And well, as I said, I'm really, really jealous, and I can't wait to finally drive also the SEABOB F9 in the water. Thank you so much, Timo.
Thank you so much for having me.
Unfortunately, the big launch is coming to an end now. But before I leave you with all the exciting new impressions and information, next week you will have the opportunity to experience the new SEABOB F9 live. From September the 10th to the 15th, the International Cannes Yachting Festival will take place, where the new SEABOB F9 will be shown to the public for the first time. A world premiere that you should not miss. Thank you so much for your interest and your attention. It was an honor to be here today. Goodbye and take care.